Hello everyone. Today I will be walking you through the steps of database searching. First, let's begin at the URI Library's resource search bar. We will choose Articles and Databases. All databases are organized alphabetically. Today I will be using the Academic Seach Complete database through EBSCOhost. This database gives access to peer-reviewed journals of various subjects, so students are likely to use this type of database when researching information pertaining to their various coursework. The database is updated daily, allowing for relevant and accurate information. So let's open the database. We can create our search by using keywords or terms that are related to our research needs. Today, I am searching for information about the effects caffeine has on sleep. I'm going to begin by using a Boolean search by using the word "or" to imply I am searching for information about coffee or caffeine itself. This lets the database search for one or the other when compiling results. Next, I am using the term effects. I am going to use the third search bar to use a truncation of sleep here. After the P in sleep, I place an asterisk. This usage of truncation allows the database to search any word connected to sleep, such as sleeping, sleepiness, etc. I can actually use this for the word caffeine as well, to include the word caffeinated in my results. We start with 160 results. Our database defaults the search to the newest published works. However, we can choose our search results to relevance. We can also limit 5 results per page through page options if this is less overwhelming to you when searching for relevant research. Let's limit the search even further by allowing the earliest publication of the subject to be 2014 for more currency, as well as limiting the search to peer-reviewed only. A peer-reviewed piece of information has been reviewed by another or other scholars of the same discipline or subject within the specific publication. This allows the information to be considered credible, reliable, and an academic source. Now our search results have condensed further to give us relevant, peer-reviewed information. We now see our top 5 results. Within this article title, we have terms that are relevant like caffeine and altered sleep. This may be relevant for my research. We can view the authors, the document type, the abstract with relevant subject terms, and a DOI. This article is available in full text as a PDF, and on the opposite side, on the toolbar, we have many options with what to do with the article, including uploading it to a Google Drive account, emailing it, and citing the article. When we click on the cite icon, a list of citation formats becomes available for our choosing. However, as EBSCO instructs, using the library or asking a librarian for help to verify the citation's accuracy is important. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy searching!